Hi, my name is Madeline Still, and I am a senior dancer at the UMKC Conservatory, and this is a day in my life during Crescendo in concert. The day started off early doing hair and makeup and making sure I was nice and ready for the stage. I then made sure I had all my things ready to go, and then we headed out to the Kauffman. Our call time for us dancers was 8:30 in the morning because we had warm-up class before our matinee performance, which was at 10. Here we are warming up in the studio backstage and making sure our bodies are nice and warm and ready for our first show of the day. Then we changed into our costumes and performed our first show of the day, which was for various schools around the Kansas City area. After the show, we grabbed a bite to eat before yet again heading back to the Kauffman. As we headed back inside, we had yet another warm-up class to get our bodies nice and warm and ready for our final show of the day. Here I am putting on my final touches before changing. Performing at the Kauffman is such a great experience, and having two Crescendo performances, one at the Nelson last fall and one at the Kauffman in the spring this year, has been so fun. After the show, I got to go upstairs and take some pictures with my parents, my fiance, my roommates, and some of the senior class, capturing our last show together. Thank you for watching a day in my life as a conservatory dancer during Crescendo.